Hey, everybody! Welcome to join us. This is a short story to practice your listening skills. Don't forget to follow us. The story is The Golden Key. Mia lived in a small village surrounded by green hills and a quiet river. She was 22 years old, with bright eyes and a big smile. She loved exploring, reading books, and helping her neighbors. Every morning, she walked through the village to buy bread from Mr. Patel, the baker. He always said, "Mia, you're too curious. One day, you'll find something strange." One sunny day, Mia decided to walk a new path. She followed the river until she saw an old bridge. It was wooden, broken, and covered in moss. Under the bridge, something shiny caught her eye. She climbed down carefully and picked it up. It was a golden key. It was small, heavy, and had strange markings on it. "What does this open?" Mia wondered. She showed the key to her best friend, Sam, who worked at the village library. Sam was tall, quiet, and loved puzzles. He said, turning the key in his hands. "These markings look old. Maybe it's from a treasure chest." Mia laughed. "Treasure? In our little village?" But Sam's eyes sparkled. "Let's find out." They started asking people in the village. Old Mrs. Carter, who sold flowers, said, "A golden key? Long ago, there was a story about a hidden door in the hills. No one ever found it." Mr. Patel, the baker, added, "I heard the door leads to something magical or dangerous." Mia felt excited but nervous. What if it was real? That night, Mia couldn't sleep. She looked at the key on her table. It seemed to glow in the dark. "I have to know," she said to herself. The next morning, she met Sam, and they packed a bag with water, a flashlight, and a map. "The hills are big," Sam said. "Where do we start?" Mia pointed to a spot on the map. Mrs. Carter said, "In the hills. Let's try near the big oak tree." The walk was long. The sun was hot, and their legs grew tired. Finally, they reached the oak tree. It was huge, with thick branches and deep roots. Mia looked around. "Nothing here," she said, disappointed. But Sam touched the tree. "Wait, feel this." There was a small hole in the trunk just big enough for the key. Mia's heart raced. "Should we try it?" "Yes," Sam said. Mia put the key in the hole and turned it. A loud click echoed. The ground shook, and a stone door appeared in the hill beside the tree. It was covered in vines and dust. Mia and Sam stared. "This is it," Mia whispered. They pushed the door open. Inside was a dark tunnel. Mia turned on the flashlight. The walls were stone, and the air smelled old. They walked slowly, step by step. After a few minutes, the tunnel opened into a round room. In the center was a wooden box. It had a lock shaped like the golden key. Mia knelt down and opened the box. Inside were three objects: a silver coin, a red jewel, and a tiny book. Sam picked up the coin. "This looks ancient." Mia held the jewel. It sparkled like fire. Then she opened the book. The pages were blank, except for one sentence. "Choose one, and the rest will vanish." "What does that mean?" Sam asked. Mia frowned. "Maybe we can only take one thing." "But which one?" They sat and thought. The coin could be worth money. The jewel was beautiful and rare. The book, well, it was mysterious. What if it held secrets? "Let's decide together," Mia said. The coin could help the village. We could fix the school or buy new books for the library. Sam nodded. True, but the jewel might be more valuable. We could sell it and do even bigger things. Mia turned the book in her hands. This feels different. What if it's magic? What if it tells us something important later? They talked for a long time. The room grew colder. Finally, Mia said, I think the book. It's a mystery, like the key. I want to know more. Sam smiled. Okay, the book it is. Mia took the book out of the box. Suddenly, the coin and jewel disappeared in a puff of smoke. The box closed with a loud snap. Sam laughed. Well, no turning back now. They walked out of the tunnel, and the stone door shut behind them. The key stayed in the tree, stuck forever. Back in the village, Mia and Sam sat in the library with the book. Let's open it again, Mia said. This time, new words appeared on the page. You chose wisdom over wealth. Ask your question. Mia blinked. It's interactive? Sam grinned. Ask something. Mia thought carefully. What's the biggest secret in our village? The words on the page changed. The river holds a sunken boat with treasures from long ago. Mia and Sam looked at each other. Another adventure? Sam asked. Mia smiled. Yes. Here is the end. I hope you enjoyed and benefited. Don't forget to follow us. Thank you, and I will see you again.